Come on. Yeah, she kept on what? She kept on the food. She kept on the food too. Now you're not going to go back on the food, right? So we have to come with them to talk. How are you? How are you? I know about we are complaining on our impact interviews. No, sometimes I talk about to know young talent to be well. So now what you say about narrative, what you young people love, Kasiri and Talo Siri Akwekuwa, to Yagari Uno Jisuachi, one love Uganda, I can't wait to see you. God bless you. Tell me to touch on Soko modoni kemo tamna mungo modoni katule tu ejangu ocho Soko teleke sente zose. No room for what? I read for myself. No room for racism. Yes, please, no room for racism. Then this one, thank you. Banange, I make a party and Bobia. Number the makeup.
I'm Chinatown. I'm Chinatown.
Nesente omukadde kanange njagala kuwaayo ku ssente oleme kutambuza bigere ngoddayo ikaswe okyampa ebirala nensawo gimpa nanange ntululutuntuntu nayanziza nange kakuku ssente tutambuza bigere bye nalaba ka vidiyo ebyakutukamu saagala bigere tutambuza bigere. Thank you. Shiba Kalunji, thank you for that. Shiba. Ani yakutumye teri yakutumye oyina tatu yange evanjinonya leero kanjirabeko live yeyo banna otulyaneko era let us be precise and concise. I sing for you cause many precise and what? Let me be precise and concise. Yeah. I sing for you, then I disappear on stage calls, but it's right. Thank you. I can use it faith. Yeah, from Kalchamliwa, Akalamatino Kalka. Thank you for moving me. So, Shiba Kalunji, my God bless over nicely. And some of Makatona, also very Lunji. I was so to let. Shiba Kwaita again. And Shiba Kwaita again. Rising Kwaita. Shiba, oh, in a nyash. Princess Shiba Kalun, come. Shiba Kwaita. Thank you so much. Shiba Kwaita. Hey, Rising Kwaita again. Shiba. Thank you. And for the money you've given me. Appreciation. Thank you. Then go press over nicely. I want to go in now. Shiba Kalunji, bye-bye.
Lastly, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to take a photo moment. Airtel and Shiba, the official handover of the match at court. It's fun and cheap to jam video, and then of course the handover of the router or Mutu Yamuze ticket here in Nini. This is just a photo opportunity. Picture moment. Bye.